Hi guys, I have cut up 2 sweet potatoes and I have a small, about a cup and a bit of corn. I'm going to use this small can of tomatoes with green peppers, celery, and onion in it. So I've also added in a package of ground soy, and now I'm going to add in a can of red kidney beans. I put in 3 teaspoons heaping of chili powder, and now I'm going to add some water. Okay, I added in some parsley and about 6 cloves of garlic, and I'm going to put it on to a boil and then put it on low. So this is the finished chili. It looks so good. Yummy. Thanks for watching.